Hi guys, so welcome back my YouTube channel. I'm just here for the first time. Hi, I'm here. Wonderful day. Hi Kuya. One bag world check fan kami and arkan kami. I'm so cold. See? Nice no. Hi guys, so wonderful day. Hit my hair profile. And honey also in the floor. Ayan. Hi guys, so what's up again? I have my power banks here. I'm thinking of me. Hi guys, so what's up again? It's me and a wonderful day. Ayan. Ako ning hi, sexy pa ko ay. Ayan. Hi guys, so I have my bag here. Nice there, 2 remote control. Najud, follow me. I have my that sweet notebook. Marshall sweet notebook. Marshall mini mirror. To see my plug. Ayan. Is Jesus Christ, follow me. And para sa paglasmat ko kung jowa. Ayan. See, I have your friend and a list. You know. You know. See, I have my girl surgeon. I have. Thank you. Kuhata gusto ko nga follow me. Thank you. I love you so much. See you. Kano siya flower? Flower ni surgeon. Kasi ni Jenny and Kuya Jelly too. Thanks for the help. Yeah, thanks for the help. Yeah. Kuan me guys. My drawing. Ayan. I have my 2. I have my hitman. I have my botol ko kung hitman ko. See? Ayan. Kailan siya guys. Akong hair drop. Sina. Ako ko hair band pala guys. I have my card. Kanya siya. Approve. FB. Charger. Saksak sa power bank. Muna siyang head. Dayon. Anay. Box stand sa cellphone. Ayan. See? Na-postan ko sa kong cellphone ko. Dayon, I have mine. There is 1. I have my Hypnas for me. Sana on. Mood pala. I have my wake up collection. Baby Dragon. Sana on. And, oh my God. May powder pala guys. So, ayan. Wala siya or. Wake up ng birthday na ko. Thanks Joshua. We love you. Sana on. 104 na or lipstick on. Wow, lipstick. Sana on. Can I try? Marsha or Lipton. Kablog ko kung may love surgeon. No, get up on you sometimes. Kaya siya guys. Flash on sa face na sa ko. See? Marsha flash on with my face. Wonderful face. Sana pangit ko face. Mura. Kano siya guys. Kanang wala sila kanang atin sila mga Papa Junior. Ayan. Friend niya, Andre. Sa Brigada. So, pero, and I have my Brakaw ni ako maybe. Thank you for the help. Kaya siya guys is oy Miss Mas pala. Gabar sa bata sa eyeballs na ko nga coach. Ano siya guys? Marsha eyeball guys. Kanang ako. Kasi po kong usahay all day, every day. Single day. Ayan. Ngayon, I have my remote control. I have my kuhol ni my love surgeon. Sinaon. Thanks for the help, surgeon. Gusto bango. Bango. Tinduhan ko remote control. Buha ko other day. What is this? A plus. Fresh. Oh. Puro sa guba, guys. Kanang ako, kanang basurahan. Saka pagabay. Or else. Kaya siya. Or, ribbon. Ayan. Ano siya, guys. Mura. Mura yung tanong, guys. Ayan. Marsha or heartburns. Ako mata sa sleep ko everyday sa Sabado next week. So, wala lang. Kanahan ko ng business. So, unga ko sa hitman tomorrow. So, kumain siya din. Siya, wake up action and charger. Sak ako ng program. So, wala lang. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for my vlogs, baby dragons, and for the help. So, now, okay, ako here for fire. Hi guys, so this is me. Balik ko sa kwarto ko. I'm here. Cause is really important. Kaya wala silang kuhaan. Ito silang lubong ni Papa Junior sa barkada. Sana all. Hello everyone, this is me. So John, say hello. My vlog. Yeah. Pagka mong ito ka John. Hi. This is me vlog. Ida vlog. Baby dragon. Mang worship pa mi guys. Ang hangin ko sa silang karas pa ng frente. Sino all. Mang kay arkon ko ni grabing bagong 104 sana kuan mi guys na buklak mura ko kung kasal hi sir Jan sino di ikaw bindus ko di ba and I heard my hi guys what's up yo yeah what's up gajar sila ni akong anak si Pakla Tumboy somewhere sa class yun tomorrow Thursday, yeah. Hi gang, it's so much fun and I'm here my bed on budget and so if ano ko guys si AB proud sila yeah so limong sa Papa Junior kami sila or kuan sila Inday or else kanang kuan ko guys logo ko pinag sakit ko heart ouch sila meow. Hi guys, it's Miss Wonderful Day. Thank you so much fun. I'm here and it's a vlog. So watching. Thanks for the help. Okay. What up this or last dose ka pin. Nagulat mo sila I waited for them. Diba sir Jan? Wala sila wala nga ano lang sabihin niyo no mag-windows pa ako. Hi Lauren and Kara my friend sila wala mag-windows lang ko and Ate Marcy hi Ate Marcy hindi si kakatunin ito oh I'm so sexy wala ang sex man ni Sir Jan. Wala. Ano sabihin? Ano? Ang takal lang. Marag kabuat. Ay, ito yung Mars. Mars, bungol ka. Wala eh. Pagka gagabungol ko, hinom dila. Happy birthday last dose yun. Gagantog. Challenge hours. Ano? Whatever. Bilyo. Isa? Hi. Yung si din cashier. Hi guys. What's up? Ha? Wala. Bindi ba ko eh. Diba gagatog last dose mo man? Holler. Never. Hi. Yung si Kuya Tony. Sumasilyo. Hi, Ate Marcy. Gusto buhay. Hi, Noren. And my friend Kira. Thanks for helping me today. Miss Dinay. Oh my God. Huwag ko mas. Tapos sinagit. Kaya kung palang video sa mamaya. Thank you for watching, guys. You are baby dragon. Thank you so much. So next is tomorrow and Thursday and can't pay at come me sweet. So now, thank you for watching, guys, for the videos. I click here at Twitter and Instagram and can't pay at craziness. Lagi gabung follow no ko videos mamaya lang. Bye guys. See you tomorrow. Thursday.